Hey everybody, I would like to show you guys my hot oil treatment that I do every other week. So before we start, you have to decide what oils do you want for this hair treatment. Some popular option is olive oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil. You can put sesame oil, coconut oil, argan oil, whatever you prefer. It's up to you what you pick. So before you start applying any oils to your hair, make sure your shampoo. This really helps the oil penetrate deep into your hair cuticles so you can get all the benefits to your hair. So I will be using 4 oils in this hot treatment. Every time it changes based on my hair needs. I chose avocado oil, olive oil, castor oil, and sesame oil. So these are the 4 that I'm gonna mix together. What's really cool about this hot oil treatment, you can find all this in your kitchen at home. You don't have to go anywhere or buy it from anywhere. The first oil I'm going to be using is sesame oil. When massaged to your hair and scalp, sesame oil can prevent premature graying hair, promotes hair growth, protects your hair from any harmful UV rays, soothes heated, damaged, and dry hair, prevents hair fall and dandruff. The second oil I'm going to be adding to the mix is enriched with vitamin E, fatty acids, mineral, and other essential nutrients that help with hair growth. It also prevents hair loss, making your cuticles smooth and shiny. Castor oil is one of my favorite oils. It promotes healthier and shinier hair, and it helps with hair growth. This is one of the best oils to enrich your scalp with because it contains ricinoleic acid, which fights inflammation in your hair follicles. Castor oil also has omega-6 fatty acid. When you massage it into your scalp, it increases blood circulation. The last oil I'm going to be adding to the mix is avocado oil. It's enriched with oleic acid and monounsaturated fats. Avocado oil is one of the few oils that actually penetrates your hair shaft and moisturizes it, rather than just coat it. Now I'm gonna start mixing them all together and start distributing it all over my hair and giving my scalp a scalp massage. I'm gonna be using my scalp massager as well to just massage it a lot more deeply than my fingers. So you can put it in a little bottle thing. It's easier, apply it to your hair. I'm just gonna use my hands. There's so many benefits to a hot oil treatment. Whenever I do this, I notice that it restores the moisture balance and seals moisture to my hair. My hair ends up being stronger and shinier. It basically brings my dry hair back to life. I've read that it helps prevent split ends and frizz, protects from dandruff, and whenever you massage hot oil to your scalp, it increases blood circulation. All these benefits really help promote healthier hair in the future. So now that I'm done distributing it all over my hair, I gave myself a quick scalp massage. Just tie it, put a shower cap on. So I microwaved this for about a minute, half a minute on each side. Make sure it's not too hot. Make sure you put the bun first in because it's a bit tight. I just want to mention the best feeling ever is when you're using this, whether you're shampooing or putting the oil. It feels so good. And then in addition to that, is once you massage it and then you put something warm, it feels so cozy. And I'll leave this on for 20 minutes. If it loses its heat, I'll microwave it again and put it on. And then I will rinse out the oil, do a little shampoo and condition, and show you guys the results. So this is how my hair looks after the hot oil treatment. I already styled and diffused it. It looks poppin'. The curls are super shiny. It looks very hydrated. Exactly the results I was looking for. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Give give it a thumbs up if you like it. And if you try it, please let me know how it went. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.